Hey, I'm Anissa and I'm here with American Signature Furniture. We are here customizing a designer sofa.
Hi, Anissa.
Hi.
Welcome to the factory. Let's go see how the Winnie's made.
Great.
Once we receive the order from the store and find out exactly what the customer wants, we begin cutting the cover. Then move over to our sewing department where we start sewing all the various components of the product. Then we send our cushions to be filled. At the same time this is taking place, we're beginning to cut all the polyurethane foam parts. It all meets together in our upholstery department where the frame is then assembled. It then moves over where our talented team begins to spring the frame up and put all the various different types of padding on the frame. If there's any steaming needs to take place, we'll steam the product to make sure that the fabric lays smooth. Then it moves down to our inspection process where the piece of furniture is gone over very carefully to make sure that everything matches the standard that we have designed into our product.
That one's ready to be shipped.
And that's how you make the Winnie. Now we just need to get her all wrapped up, put her on the truck, and ship her to my client's house. I can't wait to see you guys there.